Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to explain to you a simple PLC, means programmable logic controller. Okay, so first here we have our power supply for our PLC, and the next one, this is our CPU, the central processing unit of the PLC, and the rest of this one. Okay, so this card, we have our input card and output card. It means we have digital input and we have digital output in each card. Okay, so just like this one, we have digital input here and digital output here. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 digital input and digital output. Okay, so about this one, guys, this is a differential pressure indicator. If there is a big differential pressure in the system, so it will indicate here. Okay, so now here is the, okay, these are the power supply. Okay, our power supply breaker. And then we have here the relay. Okay, so this relay is the one who will receive the signal from digital output. Okay, so we have digital output here, so it will energize this relay, and then this relay will energize solenoid valve. Okay, so that's the function of this relay. So this is an example of PLC. Okay, so in PLC we have digital input, so we have switches there in the field, normally open and normally contact switch. And digital output, you can use this one to give an alarm or send the output signal to the relay, and that relay to the solenoid valve. Okay, so this is an example of programmable logic controller. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.